Hello friends, it's day 12 of our light study, and today's question of the day is, can you point out 3 things in the room that make light? So look around the room that you're in and see if you can point out 3 things that make light. So maybe a lamp, or maybe like a light fixture on the ceiling. Maybe you have a flashlight around, or maybe you have candles, or maybe you have the flashlight on your phone. Just think about different things that you have around the room that make light. Now we are going to continue looking at some shadows, and I found some pretty cool shadows that look like different things. So I want you to take a look and notice like everyday objects or something you might see out and about can have can make a shadow that looks like something else. So let's take a look. All right, our first one, this is an ordinary leaf, and can you see the shadow, like what the shadow looks like? Does anybody see that? If you see it, type it in the comments below. So that's number 1. Number 2, I want you to take a look at all of these, and I'll like say number whatever, and you can put them in the comments below at the end of the video. So this is number 2. This is a dog. Tell me what the shadow looks like. What do you think the shadow looks like? Okay, number 3. This one is, I'm going to give you a hint. So between the 2 trees and the light post, you're looking like right in the middle. Right in the middle. You'll see a shadow of something. Okay. Number 4 is a chicken. Tell me what its shadow looks like. Tell me what its shadow looks like. Number 5. This is a giraffe. Tell me what the shadow of the giraffe looks like. Number 5. Number 6. What does the shadow of this fence look like? What does the shadow of this fence look like? Okay, number 7. What does this shadow look like? The shadow of the lamp hanging from the ceiling. What does the shadow look like? Okay, number 8. You see the light hanging down, the lamp hanging down, and then you see the shadow. What does the shadow look like? What does the shadow look like? Okay, I believe this is number... Okay, number 10. This is a door, or a window rather, that opens up. What does the shadow look like? What does the shadow look like? This would be number 10. 11. This is a ship. What does the shadow look like? What does the shadow of the ship look like? Number 12. this is a leaf. Tell me what the shadow looks like. And I think this is number 13. This is a construction sign that you might see when they're blocking the road. Tell me what the shadow says. It says a word. Tell me what the shadow says. All right, so that was kind of fun, I thought. So if you would, in your in the comments below, write like 1 through 13 and write what you saw, the shadow. Like, what did you think the shadow looked like in the comments below? Okay, so that is it for our study today. Just as you're out and about, look for shadows. Look for I don't know, there's so many things that you can see shadows on, and you can see shapes of something else. Like, you know how you look at the sky and you look at the shapes of the clouds? It's kind of the same thing. You're looking at the shapes of the shadows to see what shapes they're making, what it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment below with your answers, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.